Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the needle punching series. In this episode, we are going to learn how to shear our mat or any project that you made using needle punching. So you're just going to use scissors and go in between the loops that the needle created while you were punching and just cut the loops into two, as you see me doing there. Go ahead as you cut the loop into two, just do that. And as I said earlier, this process to me is so very therapeutic. So it relieves the stress. It just like when I'm doing this, I can meditate on a lot of things and just get my creative side out. So if you haven't watched my other episodes of this needle punching series, please check in the description box. I'll make sure to leave the links to those videos. Please kindly watch them and learn a thing or two and even try out projects of your own. Just make sure as you are cutting in between the loops, don't pull the yarn or the Uzi too much, like don't apply so much pressure. Don't make the loops come out. Just be gentle but continue doing the process. Make sure you go on each and every loop. I find that cutting at the top of the loops is kind of, you'll not get a clean finish and the yarn will kind of be of smaller length, so it's better to just go in between the loops and cut them instead of doing as you see me doing there. Don't do that. Just cut. So with this process or with this technique, you can be creative as you want. Just create whatever it is that you want. You can create table mats, you can create wall hangings, toilet seat covers. You can create using this method too. You can do embroidery, you can make pillow or cushion covers. Just design anything and whatever it is that you want. So just go ahead, cut along the loops as you see me doing here, and just enjoy whatever it is that you are doing. That's the key, because this technique requires a lot of patience. It's so tiring but rewarding at the same time. Just be patient and you'll see the results. Shearing, trimming or cutting, whichever you want to call it, it's all one and the same. So just do that, ensure you go through all the loops, don't even leave a single one, but if you've left one you can just go back again. So after having finished that, here I am going back to make sure all the loops are cut into two. So just do that, be gentle and thorough. Then after having cut all the loops, go ahead and just shear the top part to make it leveled. Then you'll have your finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.